You have seen the thumbnail, right? So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the VWT3 Custom, and it is from the HW Vans series. This is from last year's Q case. I waited to get my hands on this one for so long. You couldn't imagine the long exile, man. Even if I told you, it would take 2 YouTube videos of 59 minutes to make you understand how long did I wait for this one. So without any further ado, let's open it up. So this is designed by Brian Zaho. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. So let's go. This is a very unique casting actually. See the, what do you say, livery on this one, and the Sparko BBS Bliston branding on the, what do you say, windscreen of this, windshield of this van. So yeah, out of the box, not so heavy casting. Okay, so this is pretty decent. You have the diffuser here. So let's, whoa. So this is the metal and this is plastic. So you see the 79 and you have double X here and you have the T3 badging. You also have a smiley logo, which is very, I don't know, should I say creepy? I like it. It's not creepy. Okay. So the Hot Wheels badging here. We have a caution intake warning. Oh, we have the name here, B Zaho and Andrew. Andrew. So we have the FC badging here. Front is super detailed with BBS, Sparko and Bliston livery. Hey, this is a new thing. The Viper details is cool, and look at that. That smiley is everything. You have the headlamp details. The headlamp details, there's an error. They are not exactly in the alignment. Same livery on this side as well. We have these massive air vents, and we have this at the back. On the top we are looking at something very unique, and let's do a roll test now. Yeah, it rolls nicely. So the Volkswagen T3 is the third generation of the Volkswagen Transporter series of vans and utility vehicles. Introduced in 1979, the T3 was larger and more angular than its predecessor, but featured the same rear-engined layout. It was marketed under a number of names. These include Transporter and Caravel in Europe, Microbus in South Africa, and Vanagon in United States. Ooh. Production ended in 2002 of these things. So sad. This T3 is a depiction of a highly modified Volkswagen T3 van. This started from a sketch Brian Zaho sketched for fun, apparently. So he did a sketch for fun, and that ended out to be this awesome casting, and I think one of the best casting from Q case, right? Which the design team then decided to put into production. The design is inspired by the Ford Superman 4, but features a significantly bigger opening, him feeling that Hot Wheels needed to go bigger or go home. Now that is a statement. That is a very awesome statement. Go big or go home. That's what she said. Okay, Michael Scott kicking in. So the color is Metal Flake Champagne. This color, this is Metal Flake Champagne color, and we have smoke tint glass. The interior color is brown. Yeah, I've not shown you the interior yet. Yeah, it's brown. This brown. So this one has aerodisc wheels in the front and at the back, and they are in golden color, gold chrome. This is a very awesome casting. I am into VW vans from a long time. They are very aesthetic, they are very functional, they are practical. So yeah, with that thought, I leave you here with this beautiful casting. Alright, and do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, spend wisely. To check out my video on Measure It Volkswagen van.